Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're going to look at that Husqvarna 394 chainsaw. That's 94 cc's, 5.7 cubic inch. Dry weight without barn chain is 17.4 pounds. Advertised horsepower on this one is 7.1 horsepower. Capable of running up to a 60-inch barn chain. And this one's got a 28-inch barn chain, brand new. Sprocket nose, and has a new 3/8 chisel chain, skip tooth. And we'll take a close look at this one. Got the heavy duty filter on it. Working chain brake. It's got the wrap handlebars. It's got the very large double dogs. It's got a set of them. The only thing I noticed on this saw, there is a ear broke off right here where the chains come back and hit that. It doesn't affect the running of the saw. And it does run very well. We'll go out and put it in the log deck now.